Okay, quick video time. I'm going to change out the clutch lever on this 22 CVO Street Glide. The clutch lever I'm going with is SoftBreak, a company called SoftBreak. I use them before on plenty of things. They make a reduced angle brake lever also, as well as different brake levers and clutch levers. The advantage of the SoftBreak clutch lever is the reduced friction zone. Okay, so the clutch lever on the stock, it's a lot longer of a friction zone to get into. The clutch lever on the SoftBreak, it's a lot shorter. It's just like you barely let it out. It's a lot, especially if you're the type of rider where you should be. I'm not gonna tell you how to ride, but when you're at a stoplight, you shouldn't be in neutral. You should have your foot on a brake and ready to go. So you see something in your rearview mirror, crash coming, whatever it is, you can move forward real quick. If you're in neutral, you got to go into first and then try to move. So the safe way to ride is that way, but I'm not telling you how to ride. It's a lot easier to stay in the friction zone if you have less movement. So we're going to replace that real quick. I'm going to show you how, and then we'll see how it goes. So basically, when you're looking at this side, so we're going to have to take this clip off. You just pop this up. When you pop that up, so basically what you got here is, turn this around. It's not gonna be easy. Okay, move that up. Okay, you basically take this, take a flathead, you pop that out. Okay, you pop that out. Oh, that's not what it does. Okay, pop this pin out from the bottom. Okay. All right, I had to take it out. The camera stopped filming. This is basically the side by side. Okay, here's your side by side. The exact same levers almost. If you look at when they're superimposed over each other, one has a reduced angle. That's it. That's why you have less of a friction zone. So I'm going to put this back on. Okay, yesterday I installed the reduced angle clutch lever from SoftBreak. Sorry I didn't catch it all on video. I was in the middle of a fight with my girlfriend. She kept calling in between. You know how that goes. So I had to cut because I had to get somewhere, so I couldn't really video it. Anyway, I'll go through it real quick. So here it is installed. Now the friction zone is like right here. This is it. What's great about that is when you're at a light, it doesn't really pump up your arms like Popeye to keep it down. There's less tension. Where on the other one, you had to come all the way out here, pretty much, to start grabbing it. Here it's a lot less, and here's the friction zone right there. So it's so much better, especially if you're in bumper to bumper traffic and you got to keep that hand on that clutch. Again, if you're the type that puts it in neutral, that's you. Do what you do. If you're the type that keeps your foot on that brake and ready to go, and your hands on that clutch, I was riding with a buddy of mine, and he kept using his right hand to hold the clutch in because he was getting tired. I didn't get tired because it's so much easier. So a couple things about it. The friction zone, it's just shifting gears, it's faster. Everything is so much better for this $65 lever that you get from SoftBreak. So I highly recommend this. It's a great addition. No matter what year bagger you have, or pretty much they probably make it for every bike. But for this 2022 CVO, easy. Just to go over it again, because what you're going to do is there's a pin under here. You got to use a snap ring pliers to get it out. It's underneath, so it's hard to show you here. Once you do that, you're going to need some play here. So, getting back to the other side. I showed it yesterday, but just gonna take it out of here, push this up. There's a little red clip in here. You just pop that clip out, and depending on, you don't even need a tool. You can either pull down or push up to get the amount of slack you want. Once you've adjusted it, then what you're gonna do is play with it. Either move it up, move it down, put that snap pin back in there, and your clutch is adjusted perfectly. It's very easy, no tools necessary. Highly recommend it. So again, that was a quick upgrade video. Hopefully I caught enough on video in between the fighting. If not, you get the idea. Any questions, just ask. Highly recommend this from SoftBreak. I'll put the link in the description. Another video coming up next. We got a couple more to go, but the bike's coming along, and I added the suicide bars yesterday. I mean the suicide choppers bar yesterday. Really helps complete the look. So that's it. Hit the like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.